What is going on, nerds? This is Ben for aNerdHeard, where we talk gaming, collectibles, and technology. And today we got a cool piece of technology. We got the Apple AirTags here with us, a 4-pack, along with a Belkin secure holder with strap. We also did order the keychain, but that didn't get here in time, and I wasn't going to delay the video a few weeks to wait for that to come here. Either way, I picked these up for my brother. I thought they'd make a great gift. Though he doesn't need 4, I figured I would send him 2, and I'd figure out what to do with the other 2. So yeah, if you like what you see here, be sure to drop a like, maybe hit subscribe, the little bell icon, and all that good stuff on YouTube. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, and here we go. So before us, we got the AirTags, and we also got the secure hold with strap. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start with the secure strap. So what I decided to do was get this for my brother as a present, like I said earlier. And I wanted to gift him two of these, as I don't think he really has a need for 4. I don't even know if he has 4 things. So opening it up, this is what you get. You got the little frog head looking thing here. And there we go. There's the strap. And oh, okay, cool. So it's a little clasp. It's that way because I'm sure you lock it once you got it in there that way. Oh, that's cool. Okay. And now we'll go ahead and open up this guy. There we go. Easy peasy, lemon and squeezy. Okay. So inside we get some packaging. Pretty much the normal paperwork there. And then we have a little bit more here. Just all the regular mumbo jumbo. And then a double fold. Ah, there we are. Check that out. Oh, that is so cool. Super excited about these. Instructions seem to be pretty straightforward. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pop one of these out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it inside this casing for my brother. And I'm going to send it to him like this. That way the battery will start whenever he gets it. I'll be sure to tell him to do that. And I'll leave it slightly undone. That way when it gets to him, he can undo it and set it up himself. Ooh, there you go. Check that out. Hopefully he'd straighten out the Apple logo so it looks anatomically correct, I'd say. But there you go. These are thin. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty thin. Here's a pretty good comparison. Check that out. Okay. This is really cool. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can set this up, and then we'll see how that goes. So we've gone ahead. Oh, fudge. Alright. Changing aspect ratios as I realized that I have to use a phone with 14.5, and my secondary camera, which is an iPhone 10, doesn't have that. So if you don't have 14.5, you cannot do this. But since we do here on this iPhone 12 Pro, then we can go ahead and do this. So we'll go ahead and unravel this. Ooh, there. Alright, sorry about that. It actually triggered the iPhone 10 to go into search mode. Alright, so there you see it right there. It's currently searching. And all you gotta do is hit connect. And tell you what I'm gonna do, what are the options here? Backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, or custom name. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with keys for now. We'll say that's part of the keys right there, okay? We'll hit continue. This will register to my Apple ID. Yeah, the sizing on that pretty good. Cool deal. That's awesome. Now the way it works is that once it's set up, you got this little locator here, which will let you know where it's at. And then obviously it'll be you'll be able to locate it with this. So you can go ahead and hit play sound. This is loud for what it is. Wow. It's kind of neat. And then I'm sure if I was to try and find it, I'd use vicinity to let you know. Okay, I was about that far away before it said here. This is using the U1 chip. That's kind of neat. So yeah, there you go. The AirTags there, which is kind of neat. I'm pretty excited about this. This is a really cool product. It'll make a great gift. It'll make a great addition for anyone looking for a cool gift here, or perhaps any type of present. It'll make a really cool gift for anybody looking for a cool present. So there you have it. That is AirTags, a wonderful addition to the Apple ecosystem. I am super excited to see it out in the world, and we'll see what else these can do for us in the future. That said, this has been Ben for aNerdHeard. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later. Bye.